What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So what we're gonna be working on this, I don't know how long this is gonna take, to be honest, but this is my brother's Rsx. I believe it's an 05 Type S. As you can see, this thing is pretty hurt, honestly. So what we're gonna do is bring this thing back to its glory days. Honestly, this thing is hurt. As you can see, everything's pretty much held with zip ties, and it just doesn't look good. So I will be helping him out. He already removed the transmission because he's having some where the vehicle's not going into gear, but that's fine. I'll figure that out when I take out the engine. But I just want to clean everything up, make it actually look good again, because right now this thing is just a hot mess. It really is. So let's get started. We're gonna start removing most of the front end, so we'll be able to remove the engine, take out the axles, and all that good stuff. So let's go. Sorry I didn't record me pretty much dismantling, or pretty much getting everything out in order to remove the engine and transmission. Again, you have to remove both axles, all the harness, you have the front mount, back mount. I mean, this thing's ready to come out. I just don't have any hydraulic fluid on this engine hoist, so I will touch base with you guys again tomorrow. Alright, guys, so we finally took the engine out. Again, this is the engine bay here. Honestly, it's pretty cruddy, mismatched in color. Honestly, I have no idea what's going on here. But like I said, we're gonna clean this up, bring this thing back to its glory days, to be honest. Engine itself, same thing. We're gonna clean this thing up, reseal a couple things there and there, and I think he put the clutch backwards too, so we have to fix that. So I'm gonna take out the transmission from the engine, and we're gonna put the engine on the engine stand. So I'm taking this thing apart and pretty much cleaning everything up, and then seeing what's going on with that clutch. And then we're gonna start cleaning this engine bay. Gotta remove a few things just so it's not in my way. I am gonna paint this engine bay, not all out. Like, I'm not gonna go completely all out on this thing. Honestly, it's just gonna be a nice respray and just to make it look nice. Alright, guys, so we have the engine on the engine stand. I put all the other parts over here, so that's where those are all at. Battery tray, starter, mount. Some of the mounts are on top of the cowl, but this is the engine here. So this is just a before. So as you can see, all gunked up and dirty. Alright, guys, so we have this ready to go. It's on the engine stand. I got my friend here, Mikey. We're just gonna start taking this apart, and we're just gonna queue up this time lapse and go from there.
Where do you want all the bolts and shit?
Try to keep them organized. If you take something out with it, try to put them with the thing. With what am I trying to say? You know what I mean? Like, if you're taking out like the bracket or anything like that, and it comes with the bolts, just put them with them.
I don't know what I want. Like, dude, like I'm used to working on Hyundais. I don't know how to fucking work on Hondas yet.
Get used to it, my boy.
You got a 10?
Oh my god, I forgot to grab the one most important thing.
Yo, you forgot the.
Alright guys, so it's been a couple days. Honestly, I've been coming to the garage, but not really recording. So this is what I got done so far. I already installed the new crank seal, resealed the timing cover, pretty much installed some of the sensors already. So this is how it looks so far. I still gotta paint the valve cover and install a few other seals, but we're definitely making progress. But like I said, so far this is where we're at right now, and I still got to work on the transmission as well, but I'm gonna try to get this done today. I'm gonna make more time lapse of me doing the valve cover and pretty much putting the engine back together. So roll the next clip. So this is the valve cover here that came out of the engine. As you can see, paint's chipping, a lot of oil gunk up, mostly from the back. So we're gonna apply some degreaser on here, pretty much pick up all the dirt and everything, and then we're gonna add in, I think it's called Bulldog. It's supposed to be like a good paint stripper, just to pretty much lift up the paint and take out as much as we can. And then we're gonna go, after we take out the most paint we can reach, or the paint stripper can't remove, we'll go with a wire wheel and just go over everything on the little spots from there. But so far this is how the valve cover looks. We are gonna paint it the matching color of the car, what my brother requested. So this is just the before here. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but even for the new viewers, if you do guys check out this video, and if you guys checked out my previous video, we were like at a different location. Now we have a different garage. It's a lot bigger. My brother's gonna do a 360 real quick just to show you, the different size of the building that we have now. But we're cleaning up. We're trying to do everything we can here. Just pretty much organize everything. But right now, if you want to work on the Rsx, my other brother, he did some things here in the Z that he doesn't want us to talk about. But we're gonna work on the Rsx. We're gonna paint the engine bay. My brother's gonna go show you what the engine looks like. Honestly, I'm just gonna show you guys clips of what we did to get to this point. Pretty much, I had a couple buddies of mine to help me out on pretty much getting this together. And now I got my brother with me, so we can start painting the engine bay and then this bay is pretty horrendous, and he's gonna show you right now what I'm talking about. As you can see, this engine bay is in maybe 3 different colors, 4. So we're gonna start taking things apart, organizing everything, and just pretty much redoing this whole engine bay, because honestly, this thing is pretty ugly. It's pretty. Guys, welcome back. So, engine bay is painted sterling desert silver metallic. It looks a lot better than what it was originally, as you guys seen. Right now I have my buddy Carlos helping me out. We are about to replace most of all the suspension components except the struts. We're just going to clean them up, but we're doing inner outer tire rods, pretty much just cleaning everything, lower ball joints, lower control arms and stuff like that. Here's the before, and then I'm going to show you the after.